Hello friends, I am Girish Kumar and today I am going to present you my science model in front of you. The name of the science model is Student Sat. It's a satellite. Okay, it's a satellite, and now you will know how it is formed and what it does. First of all, we will go through the introduction. It is termed as a satellite, I told you, as it does the work of a satellite. Uh, and what is the work of a satellite is to collect data. Now, which type of data it collects, how it collects, will be shown in upcoming slides. It is the satellite, and the outer shell is the bus. Inside are some wired connection. Here are the solar panels. You will know further. And first of all, we will go through the overview. Now, there are three headlines, in which I am going to tell you about this satellite. First of all, how it collects data. How will it get energy? How will we know the data? Three questions are there, and I will answer the questions. Okay, we're telling more about the satellite. How it collects data. It collects four types of data: temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, and light intensity. For measuring temperature and humidity, it has only one sensor named DHT11 sensor. For atmospheric pressure, it has a sensor named BMP180 sensor. And for light intensity, it has a sensor named LDR sensor. Now I will tell in brief about all of the sensors. Here we are with our first sensor named DHT11 sensor. It looks something like this. It measures temperature and humidity in air. It has three ports: VCC, which is connected to the positive terminal in the breadboard. I will show you the breadboard in the upcoming slides. Okay, the second is the data, which is connected to the Wi-Fi module. I will tell you about the Wi-Fi module also in the upcoming slides. And then ground. It is connected to the negative terminal. You can see they they are mounted here. The second sensor is the BMP 180 sensor. Here it is the BMP 180. It measures atmospheric pressure and it has four ports. First is VCC. Here it is VCC. I noted positive. Then ground. It is ground. Then they both are data. These both are of data. Okay. The third sensor is the LDR sensor. The full form of LDR is light dependent resistor. Okay, light dependent resistor sensor. It measures light intensity, as from the name you can see. It measures light intensity, and it has sensitivity resistor. Here it is. If you will move it clockwise, it will increase the intensity of light. It will move If we will move it anti-clockwise, it will decrease the intensity of light. Now, which intensity of light will it decrease? Here are the two lights, and it will decrease the intensity of light of these two lights. It has three port, VCC, ground, and data. It is positive, it is negative, and it is connected to the Wi-Fi module. Okay, then here the top thing is mounted, which collects the data. It is the main thing which collects the data. Okay. Now I told you I will tell about the breadboard. It is the breadboard. Okay, here is the positive and negative terminal. It has a parallel connection. Here parallel, and these all have like this connection. Okay, here connection, and here no connection between here and here, and no connection between here and here, as it has a break break within it. So, okay, it is the breadboard. All the sensors are mounted on the breadboard and are connected through jumper wires. How will it get energy? The second question was, how will it get energy? It has a TP4056 module. Here it is the TP4056 module, which is connected to a rechargeable battery of 500 amperes. Okay, it is connected to a rechargeable battery. Here the positive and negative terminals of the battery, and here is our battery. I will showing you like this is our battery. Now the battery can be charged in two ways: through solar panels, means through uh, light energy, through solar energy. Okay, here is the connection of solar panels. Two wires here, two wires from here. So two solar panels will be connected. And then USB Type A cable, mobile charger. You can see here USB Type A cable. It has two terminal, positive and negative. Here positive and negative, it will connect to the breadboard and it will provide the charge to all the sensors, and there is a parallel venation in the breadboard, so the charge will go through all these jumper wires and that charge will turn on all the sensors. Work of this module is just to transfer the charge to the battery and show if the battery is fully charged or not. Okay, so here are two lights. It is red, it is blue. Blue light may show that it is fully charged. Red light shows that it is charging. Okay, the last question: how will we know the data? Okay, how will we know the data? So we will know the data in our mobile. Okay, in our mobile phone through this ESP32 module. It is the ESP32 module, the main module, which is shows the data, because we have transferred the charge to all the sensors, means the sensors will be collecting data. But then how will we know that? Okay, we don't have any something like uh, display on the sensors which will tell us the data. Okay, so we have to collect data. We will the data will be shown to us from this sensor. ESP32 module is this. This module will collect data from the sensors, as one wire named data is connected to the module from each and every sensor. I told you in the LDR sensor also, in DHT11 sensor also, in BMP180 sensor also, one or two wires are connected to this ESP32 module, which will transfer the data to this module, and this module will connect to our mobile through Bluetooth. Okay, this module will connect to our mobile through Bluetooth, and then the data will be shown in our mobile. Okay, but then how will we know the data? The question is there only. How will we know the data? In Bluetooth, we cannot see the data. Okay, so it has a specified app. I cannot tell you the name of that app, but it has a specified app for that. It is the app. Here it measures the temperature. Oh no, wait. Yes. Here it measures the temperature, humidity, pressure, and light intensity. Temperature is here shown 37.4 degrees Celsius, 13% humidity in air, 95 HPA pressure, and light intensity is 93 lux. Okay. Here, or LUX, sorry, LUX. Uh, Here, the graph will also be shown whenever you will tap on any of these four columns. Here, I tapped on this, so here's a blue outline through there. Is it showing the graph that and data collecting in the past days? Past almost 5 to 6 past days, it will tell us the graph for that. So that was all about it. Thank you very much for being with me, and thank you.